Hello everybody, today we are playing flexbody car crash simulator and let's see what I have. And I don't see any good things over here. I already have the crash test polygon and the forest road. And of course, how could we forget?
Hello, Ariba.
And now we are playing. What should I play?
What
Polygon?
should I play? Polygon?
Please be quiet.
Okay. Brother?
What?
Okay,
she's irritating. Okay, I got this old car I just switched to. Okay, gear 2, gear 3, gear 4, gear 5, okay, this car I think is not strong. Okay, let's get this car to break down.
Just break it all and smash it to
That was kinda trick. Okay, who cares? Let's go to Marshall. This car is fast. I drove in it before. See, I told you it's fast.
No, it's not that faster than me. I'm faster. My hand.
Now let's do a drift. A spin out.
Sorry, I was telling. I said that. I was that. Sorry,
Okay,
I
let's
was.
spin and land. Bro, that just made the car flat. If you can see so.
Not